Alright, what's going on, friends? Some reason my wife wants me to fix this stopper. Probably because she's almost dropped a few things down the sink. I don't know why she's worried, because I would probably be the one getting it out. So maybe this would be a good idea for me to fix this. So there's a little metal arm down in there that when you pull this up and down, this is hooked to, and my little metal arm rusted off. So I'm going to show you how to fix that in case this happens to you. Pretty much I think all I'm going to need is a pair of pliers. And I'm going to take mine off, and then I'm just going to go to the hardware store to make sure I get the exact right one and then put it back in. So let me show you what we're looking for. You're going to have to clean out under your sink. Might want like a towel so you can protect your little knees. And you may want to shut your water off unless you just really trust everybody. So let's shut this water off. Alright, I got both my waters shut off. There's going to be a hole in the back of the, let me see if I can show you. Oh, right there. This piece right here. I have to loosen that up and pull this little arm out. And then we're going to go to the hardware store and get another one. Let's loosen that up. See, that's what I need. And it's totally rusted off. Right there is the piece I gotta get. I'm kind of missing part of it. Mainly I just wanted to know how big this ball had to be, and maybe the same length as this. Alright, let me go to the hardware store and pick up one of these, and we'll get this fixed. Alright, I'm back. I ended up buying an entire kit because that's all they had. I'm sure if you went to maybe Lowe's or a Home Depot, you'd maybe be able to just get this piece, but it really wasn't that expensive, so I really didn't need all this. And I ended up getting me a piece of venison bologna and a little drink. Let's get this opened up and put back in there. There are directions on the box if you end up getting an entire kit. Yeah, I don't need these two pieces unless you want to replace them. Yeah, that was really the only piece I needed. I'm gonna have to take this little piece off. I don't even think I need this little piece. Maybe you'll need that, but I don't think that was in my old one. Alright, if you do want to end up using this piece, this is just for right here. It's the same thing, except it's not going to match mine, so I'm going to leave my old one in. And I'll show you how some of mine is already hooked up inside here. Alright, that handle is right here, that piece. So you can put that all new on if you want. But this little screw here will help you adjust it. If you end up getting it put on there and it's, you don't have it in the exact right spot, you can adjust it with that. I'm going to try to get this all put on and be in the right spot. Now, the next trick is when I put that piece in with the ball on it, it's got to go through this hole like that. There's no way I hit that. I don't think. I got it. Looks like when your plunger is all the way down, that piece with the ball, that little white ball on it, you almost go straight in, at least on my sink. So if that'll help you out, you see how that's almost straight? We're gonna put that on. Alright, got it all in place. Pull up, it goes down, push down, it goes up. Now it's up. Here, let me put it down. Oops. Now it's up. Let me put it down. And I'll go underneath here and try to show you kind of how mine's set up. See how with that down, that's like straight across But I mean, you can still adjust it. You might end up having to pull it out of one of them holes. I ended up having it in the hole above that, and I didn't like that because I didn't have too much adjustment up top there. But that's how it is. So pretty simple. Now don't forget to tighten this up. I still got to snug that up a little bit. It doesn't have to be super, I wouldn't say it has to be super tight, because this is just the drain. Alright, last step that you need to do after you get that all put together, I recommend putting some water in your sink. Close your stopper, put some water in your sink. Oh, you got to turn the water back on. Just fill your sink up some and turn the water off and let it drain, and look down underneath and see if it looks like anything's leaking. And maybe you could even check back a little bit later after the kids or something use this a little bit, if you got kids. But that's it, just check for that. Make sure it's tightened up and it's not leaking. That's good. Alright, I hope this video helped you out a little if you were trying to fix your stopper and your sink in your bathroom without completely replacing it. If this helped you out, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. God bless and have a great day.